Hello guys, this is Usman from eTutor9. Today we have practice session test for the use of has, have, had. Now let's move towards the test.
Question 1. My parents dash got an old Rolls Royce. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 2. She dash got two children. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 3. You dash no right to criticize me. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 4. Alex dash nothing to do with this. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 5. Dash you invited my brother to your party? Answer is B. Have or had. Question 6. Elise does not dash a job. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 7. Where dash she gone? Answer is A. Has or had. Question 8. You should not dash done this. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 9. How long dash they been waiting here? Answer is B. Have or had. Question 10. Dash he any interest in this proposal? Answer is A. Has or had. Question 11. Smith dash no girlfriend. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 12. They should dash been more careful. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 13. It dash been drizzling since morning. Answer is A. Has or had. Question 14. Alex and Nami dash two daughters. Answer is B. Have or had. Question 15. I dash watched all episodes of One Piece. Answer is B. Have or had.
So guys, did you like our first part? If you like it, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Also like and share the video so that you can also get our other videos.